Have you ever wondered if the things we throw away could actually hold value? What if trash could instantly be transformed into something useful, creative, or even profitable? Today, innovators around the globe are making this possible, turning everyday waste into tools, energy, art, and more. From machines that convert plastic bottles into building materials to devices that transform leftover food into clean energy, we're about to explore 20 incredible inventions that prove garbage doesn't have to stay garbage. So sit back, relax, and prepare to see how ordinary waste is being reinvented into extraordinary creations. Number 1. Kitchen Waste Biogas Converter. This clever device doesn't just manage food scraps, it transforms them into energy. Instead of tossing leftovers in the trash, you feed them into the digester. Inside, natural bacteria break everything down without oxygen, producing methane gas that can be stored and used for cooking. In simple terms, yesterday's kitchen waste could literally cook today's dinner. Families in rural areas are already using it as a free, renewable fuel source, while eco-enthusiasts see it as proof that a true zero-waste lifestyle is possible. Number 2. Compact Smart Composting Unit. Traditional composting is slow and messy, but this countertop wonder makes the process effortless. Toss in vegetable peels, coffee grounds, or dinner scraps, press a button, and in just a few hours, you'll have nutrient-rich soil ready for your plants. There's no foul odor, no weeks of waiting, and no complicated maintenance. For anyone trying to cut down on food waste while keeping their garden thriving, it's like having a personal eco-lab right in the kitchen. Number 3. Bottle-to-Filament Recycling Machine. Plastic bottles don't have to end up in landfills. With this recycler, they get a second life. The system cleans, melts, and reshapes used PET bottles into 3D printing filament. Makers love it because they can turn discarded plastic into new tools, toys, or even replacement part. Number 4. Community Plastic Shredder and Extrusion System. This isn't just a gadget, and it's a global movement. The open-source Precious Plastic project lets people build their own shredder and extruder to recycle plastic locally. Plastic waste is chopped into flakes, melted, and reformed into products like chairs, lamps, or building blocks. Anyone, anywhere can use it to turn waste into useful goods or even launch a small business. From small workshops to global communities, it proves recycling can be practical, creative, and empowering. Number 5. Ecopress Plastic Tile Maker. Instead of tossing plastic wrappers and bottles, this machine compresses and heats them into solid tiles. These tiles can be repurposed for benches, playground surfaces, or even small-scale construction projects. The bright colors and durability make them popular in schools and eco-startups. It's a smart reminder that plastic trash can be more than a problem. It can be a resource for building. Number 6. Mini Eco Brick Builder Kit. Eco bricks are one of the simplest yet most powerful recycling ideas. Plastic bottles densely packed with soft plastics to create durable building blocks. This compact kit makes the process easier by tightly compressing waste into uniform, Lego-like bricks. These blocks have been used worldwide to build walls, gardens, and even entire classrooms. Instead of clogging rivers and oceans, single-use plastic is repurposed into something solid and meaningful. Number 7. Replast Marble Tile Creator. Plastic trash doesn't have to look like trash. This device melts down discarded plastics and presses them into glossy marble-style tiles. Each piece comes out with its own unique swirl of colors, making it perfect for interior design, flooring, or artistic projects. Picture a kitchen backsplash or coffee table covered in tiles made entirely from old wrappers and bottles. Eye-catching, durable, and eco-friendly. It's recycling turned into craftsmanship, where every tile is both functional and a work of art. Number 8. Bottle Crusher Filament Station. Why throw away water bottles when they can become raw material for innovation? This all-in-one station crushes empty bottles, processes them, and turns them into 3D printing filament. Schools, hobbyists, and makerspaces love it because it blends sustainability with creativity. Every discarded bottle can be reborn as a gadget, tool, or prototype. It's a closed-loop cycle where everyday waste becomes the foundation for tomorrow's inventions. Number 9. Food Scrap Pelletizer, Stove Fuel Maker. This smart device tackles two big problems at once: food waste and energy costs. Designed originally for restaurants, it compresses leftover scraps into clean-burning fuel pellets. These pellets can be used in small stoves or heaters, turning what would have gone to the landfill into a source of energy. It's practical, cost-cutting, and eco-friendly, proving that even yesterday's leftovers can play a role in powering tomorrow's meals. Number 10. Personal Reverse Vending Machine. We've all seen supermarket vending systems that reward people for recycling cans and bottles. Now imagine having one at home or in the office. This compact version automatically sorts and crushes recyclables, then rewards you with points or small payouts. Think of it as a personal recycling bank. The more waste you deposit, the more value you get back. It's a clever way to encourage eco-friendly habits while making recycling rewarding, convenient, and even fun. Number 11. Blue Phoenix Waste-to-Fuel Converter. This high-tech device takes plastic pollution and flips it into a resource. Using a special oxygen-free heating process, it breaks down plastics into oil that can later be refined into diesel or gasoline. Imagine mountains of landfill plastic being turned into fuel for vehicles instead of sitting in the ground for centuries. Some small businesses are already experimenting with this method, showing that plastic doesn't just have to be waste, it can literally fuel the future. Number 12. Solar-powered bottle shredder. In remote areas where recycling systems don't exist, this solar-driven shredder becomes a game changer. It slices bottles, cans, and recyclables into smaller pieces, making them lighter and easier to transport. Communities without recycling plants can use it to cut waste volume, sell materials, and even generate income. Powered by the sun, it proves that sustainable technology can make recycling accessible anywhere on Earth. Number 13. Eco-Brick Press Pro. This upgraded version of the classic Eco-Brick Maker compresses soft plastics into dense, brick-like blocks using mechanical pressure. Builders in developing regions are using them to create sturdy walls, classrooms, and affordable housing. Every brick produced keeps plastic out of rivers and oceans while providing materials for vital infrastructure. It's a solution that tackles pollution and poverty at the same time. Practical, scalable, and life-changing. Number 14. FoodCycler Smart Indoor Composter. Forget the mess and smell of traditional composting. This sleek indoor unit breaks down kitchen scraps like coffee grounds, peels, and eggshells in just a few hours. The result is a dry, nutrient-rich fertilizer perfect for plants. With no odor, pests, or long waiting periods, it fits neatly into any home. It closes the loop between the kitchen and the garden, making food waste part of a sustainable cycle of growth. Number 15. Recycled Vinyl Record Press. Who knew plastic waste could spin music? This inventive gadget melts down discarded plastics and presses them into working vinyl records. Artists have already produced albums from old bottles and bags, proving that art and sustainability can merge beautifully. Every track pressed is a reminder that creativity can thrive even from the most unlikely materials, turning yesterday's garbage into tomorrow's soundtrack. Number 16. Coffee Grounds Ink Maker. Your morning coffee doesn't have to end in the trash. This clever device repurposes used coffee grounds into natural printer ink. Offices can cut down on costly cartridges while reducing waste at the same time. Imagine brewing a cup, then later printing your documents using the very same grounds. Practical, eco-friendly, and surprisingly creative. It proves that even your daily routine can help the environment. Number 17. Waste-fueled 3D printing robot. This futuristic robot skips the middleman of filament. It shreds, melts, and directly 3D prints objects using raw plastic waste. From chairs and tools to emergency shelters, it can manufacture useful items on the spot. Ideal for disaster zones or remote communities, it shows how recycling and robotics can combine into a system that's efficient, automated, and life-saving. Number 18. Ocean Plastic Jewelry Creator. Turning pollution into fashion. That's what this gadget does. Collected ocean plastics are melted down and transformed into stylish jewelry like bracelets, pendants, and rings. Each piece carries a story, reminding wearers of the importance of ocean cleanup. By converting harmful debris into wearable art. Number 19. Desktop Paper Recycling Unit. Instead of tossing used paper, this mini factory pulps it and reforms it into fresh sheets, ready to write on again. Some models even embed seeds in the recycled paper, creating plantable sheets that grow flowers when buried. Offices, schools, and eco-startups love it because it closes the loop on paper waste, turning yesterday's notes into tomorrow's greenery. Number 20. Micro Trash-to-Energy Plant. This compact powerhouse takes non-recyclable garbage and burns it at high temperatures in a safe, controlled chamber. The process generates clean electricity to power small appliances right at home. Picture plugging in a lamp or charging a phone with the energy from yesterday's trash. It's a glimpse into a future where garbage isn't just discarded. It becomes fuel for modern living. And there you have it. 20 remarkable gadgets that prove trash isn't the end of the line. From music made of recycled plastic to robots that build furniture, these inventions are changing the way we see waste. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into sustainable innovation, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible tech, and ring the bell so you never miss our next video. Remember, the future is in our hands. And even trash can be treasure when we think creatively.